You are going to love the 2024 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.